Your bathroom is a mess, but don't worry. Here's some simple ADHD bathroom organization hacks that you need to know to make it more organized. The first hack deals with these things. Bottles of things you don't use anymore, things that are empty, don't have anything in them. These are things you need to get rid of first because they're just taking up space. They are cluttering up your bathroom and you don't need them anymore. So go ahead and get rid of them and then replace them with things you actually are using. And another ADHD bathroom hack you need to know is keep your bathroom counters clear, because bathroom counters become disorganized and messy really quickly, really easily. And the reason is we just put everything on the bathroom counter, just leave it out, whether it's stuff for the night, the day, the afternoon, it all goes on the bathroom counter. And so what you want to do is you want to take the things that you need that's essential and leave them on the bathroom counter. All the other stuff, find another place for it. You can even get a couple of bins, one for day, one for night. Put all the stuff that you need for the day in one bin, put all the stuff that you need for the night in another bin, and that at least makes it so all that stuff is not spread out all over your bathroom counter. Find another place for things that you may need just every once in a while or doesn't need to be there every day all the time. And the next ADHD bathroom hack that you need to know is to get a lazy Susan. And the reason this is good is because you can put whatever you want to on there, as much stuff that you can fit on there. And then the cool thing about the lazy Susan, it spins. So anything on here that you want to find, you just spin it around and you can find whatever is on the lazy Susan. Being on your counter, when you put this on your counter, it helps to keep things that might be spread out all over your counter in one place, and they look more organized on a lazy Susan. If you're enjoying the content, then subscribe to the channel. Now, the next ADHD bathroom organization hack that you need to know is to hang it up. And what you do is you get hooks and you install them in different places to allow you to have places to hang stuff up. You can get over the door hooks that go over the top of your bathroom door and hang down. You can get adhesive hooks that you just put on your wall, and that helps you to not damage your wall. And it's really easy to hang something on a hook, and it just makes your bathroom look less cluttered. And the next ADHD bathroom organization hack that you need to know is limit what you have around the edges of the tub. And the reason is because those edges generally become places that we just put everything and anything we might need while we're in the tub. If you have a tub that has a shower, then you put that stuff there as well. And those edges just become super cluttered. Then you try to get in the tub, you just knock something over because there's just too much stuff there. I've done that before. So you want to limit that stuff there, because when you do, the edges of the tub don't look cluttered and it looks more organized. And now the next ADHD bathroom organization hack is use caddies and trays. Now when you're taking a bath, you can use a bath tray and put whatever you want to on the bath tray. You maybe want to use a book on there, whatever, and read it. You can put the book down on the bath tray. Now the other thing about this, when you're not taking a bath, you can use that same bath tray to just store things on the bath tray. So it's just another place that you can put things and keep them organized in your bathroom. Now if you're in the shower, you may want to have a shower caddy, and this helps you keep those things that you may have on the edge of the tub. You take some of those and put them in the caddy, and generally they have ones that hang over where the shower is, and you just put whatever you want to in there, and it keeps your shower more organized as well. And the next ADHD bathroom organization hack that you need to know is have 2 hampers in your bathroom. One for your dirty clothes and one for your dirty towels and washcloths. I generally wash them separate. That's why I'm saying have 2 in there. You can do the same with baskets as well. One basket for dirty clothes, one basket for dirty towels and washcloths, and this serves the same purpose. But the whole point of this is to have them conveniently placed in your bathroom, so these things, towels and clothes, don't end up in a chair, on the floor, just all over. It helps you to keep those things organized. And then when you want to do your laundry, you know exactly where all that stuff is. And the next ADHD bathroom organization hack that you need to know, roll your towels instead of folding your towels. And here are some reasons. One, for me, it's just easier to actually roll my towels. All it takes is one fold over and then I just start rolling. And the cool thing about this is I can do this without really paying attention to actually rolling the towel, because it's just such a easy motion to do. instead of having to fold it and match everything up to make it look neat. It looks neat without having to be perfect. And the next bathroom organization hack that you need to know is use ladders. I'm not talking about ladders that you use to get on the top shelf in your home or on your house. I'm talking about a ladder that you use in your bathroom that you just lean up against the wall. And it takes advantage of that space you're not using anyway. So this is a good thing because it actually gives you more space. Now, the way that you use it is you lean it up against the wall, and the rungs on the ladder you use to hang stuff on, generally towels, washcloths. You can hang different clothes and stuff on there if you want to. Now, another thing that you can use a ladder shelf, and this looks like a ladder except it has different levels of shelves going from top to bottom. And on those shelves, you can put different things there, and it looks really nice and aesthetically pleasing. And the other thing about it is it makes your bathroom look more organized. And the next ADHD bathroom organization hack that you need to know is for families. And what you do is you color code things in your home. Give everybody in your family a specific color and then get things in those colors for everybody. That way, if everybody has a toothbrush, everybody has a toothbrush in their color. You want to have towels and washcloths, you get towels and washcloths in their color. And that way everybody knows whose is which stuff or which stuff is theirs, and there's no arguing or anything like that. And if they have lost it, they know to look for that specific color until they find it. It just makes things really easy and simple for families. And this is a great way to keep your bathroom more organized when you do have a family. And here's something else that you need to know is how to organize your closet and hacks that actually work with ADHD to help you organize your closet. I have a video on that I'm gonna put up. Click that video and watch that video, and then you'll be able to organize your closet better with ADHD.